Hello everyone, my name is Yashimi and I will be presenting my code for Part 1C, Program 1 Loop and Add. So it's about figure 1 that illustrates a hexagon figure. So I'll start by explaining the code. So this is my code. Okay, so first we build. Okay, so I'll explain it section by section. So okay, so this part of the code we basically take input from the user about the hexagon side lines. So line 18 to line 22 will display the prompt and store the site for hexagon 1, and line 24 to line 28 will do the same for hexagon 2. Then we go to this part, which is to calculate the parameter for hexagon 1. So I set ECX to 6 to set up the loop to run 6 times because a hexagon has 6 sides. And our EAX is 0, which is our total accumulator. So in each loop, we add the side to EAX. And after looping 6 times, we store the parameter in parameter underscore hexagon 1 here. And you repeat the same thing for hexagon 2. So then, to calculate the total parameter, we have to add the both parameters together to find the total. So we move hexagon 1's parameter into EAX, and we add hexagon 2 into EAX, and we store the results in total parameter. So you move this to EAX, and then you add to this. Yes. And then to display the results, we print the results of both parameters and the total using write depth. So now I will run the code so you guys can see. So based off the output that we need to give, expected output, we put 21, 32, and yeah. So you get 21 times 6, 32 times 6, and then your total. So that's all for my part. Thanks for watching.
This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, I'm Sashi. Today I will be presenting COA LAB3, Part 1C, Program 2. So this is the code that we have for the question. Okay, let's give a quick test. Okay, so this is the registers. So we have okay, for the start, we have some data here. This is the string that is going to be shown for each message. We have calculate sum unsigned units in the order even in array hello plus 6. Then integer input result from hello index, some hello even index location, and some hello odd index location. Next we have array with hello, which has 6 keywords, and each is initialized as 0. And we also have variable for the sum of even and odd. So this is the main. Let's start. Okay, first, after we call SAR, we're going to be moved offset type the message into EDX. This is EDX. So anyway, this is the updated value of EDX. Next, we're going to call byte string. Then we're going to call CRLF again. Next, for the input of 6 integers, we are going to be moving 6 into ECX. So ECX will be 6. Okay, so this will be a loop counter for 6 inputs. Next, we're going to move 0 into ESI, which is here. So ESI is 0. Next, in the input loop, we're going to move offset input message into EDX. Okay. Next, we're going to call a string, and we're going to call read in. Okay. So this is the according to our sample output. This is the output. We have calculate some unsigned index of even in array color 6. Next, integer input is first going to put 20. Then it's going to move EAX into hello plus PSI times 4. Okay. Next, we're going to add 1 into ESI. So updated value. Next, we're going to loop the input loop. When you loop it, you specify back up. Okay. For a string and for it in again. Okay. So it has 6 in 6 arrays, so it's going to display for 6 times. We're going to put all the values that shown in the sample output. That will be 25. Then we're going to add 1 into ESI again, making it 2. Then we're going to loop it again for a string for it in. We're going to put x value 50. Okay. We are going to move EX into hello plus ESI times 4 again. Then add ESI again and loop input loop. Yes. Next is 37. Again, we're going to add another value to ESI loop. Its value is 40. Add 1 into ESI loop. And lastly is 43. Okay, so values have been updated, and then we are going to finish this. Okay, we are done with the loop because we have inserted 6 values. Next, we are going to calculate the event index sum. So we're going to move 3 into ECX, which is 0 right now. Okay, it's up to 3. And we're going to move 0 into ESI, which is 6. It's going to 6. And next, XOR EX into EX, and EX for sum. Next, even loop, we are going to move EBX. Initially, we're going to move hello plus ASI times 4 into EBX. So EBX value is updated. Going to add EBX into EAX. So the value of EBX will go to EAX. Then I'm going to add 2 to EX. We're going to move. I'm going to repeat all the process again and loop it again. Okay, we're done with the loop and this is the updated registers. We're gonna move EAX into total even. So the value of EAX is 5A. Okay. Next, we're going to calculate odd index. We're gonna move 3 to ECX. Now ECX is 3. Move 1 to ASI. ASI is 1. And XOR EAX to EAX. So EAX is 0. Here, next is the odd loop. Move hello plus CSI times 4 into EBX. It's 19. And add EBX into EAX. It's 19. Add 2 to ESI. It's 3. And we're going to loop the loop and repeat the process. Once you're out of the loop, we are going to move EAX into the odd. So this will be the total number of bottles. Next, we are going to display the result. So we're going to call CRLF. Next, we're going to move offset result message 1 into EDX. Okay, it's updated. Forward stream, then we're going to call CRLF. Next, we're going to move offset even message into EDX. Then we'll call that string and move EAX, total even into EAX. So the EX will be this 5A. We're going to call right int and call CRLF. Next, we are going to move offset out message into EDX. And we're going to call that string, move EX, total out, call right in, call CRL. Exit. Already exited. Okay. So this is the output that we have. We have the result sum hello index. We have the sum of hello even index location and also sum hello odd index location. This is the output. Done for program 2. Thank you.